Hey there, welcome to IFM Institution, right here in Bangalore's buzzing electronic city, where the future leaders in business, law and tech come to grow.
Yup, from top-rated MBA and BBA programs to cutting-edge law and tech degree, this place is more than just a campus. It's where ambition gets real.
With modern infrastructure across a lively urban campus, IFIM is built to inspire. So come on, let's show you around and give you a peek of everything that makes the space feel like a home for learners, creators and go-getters.
Let's start at the heart of it all, the academic block. Every classroom here is named after a legendary freedom fighters. It's little things like these that keeps us inspired.
And they are all tech-enabled too. Projectors, speakers, smart boards. Missed a lecture? No stress. Just log in into Impatches, our lecture capturing system, and catch your recording anytime you like. Here at IFIM, you've got plenty of streams to chase your dream. BBA or BBA in Accounting and Finance with KPMG or BBA in Digital Business. BCom along with the track in BCom with ACCA. BCA in Software Engineering or Artificial Intelligence. MBA. And if law is your thing, BBA LLB or LLB. Speaking of law, that's where we're headed next. Up on the second floor is the IFIM Law School, where future lawyers train through moot courts, research publications, casework, and also ADR events. The moot court hall is not just for practice, it's where you start thinking, arguing, and presenting like a real lawyer. If you love the books or you just need a quiet place to study, then this one is for you.
Our 3,000 square feet library has over 30,000 books, 9,000 journals, and global research access.
Think EBSCO, Scopus, SCC Online, and many more. There's a digital library too. 1.3 lakh ebooks, articles, reports, even project files. Whether you're cramming or just reading for fun, there's space for 200 plus people here.
Have a startup idea? You'll love this. Our Startup Foundry helps you pitch, build, and grow your ideas with real-life mentors from the industry guiding you.
And welcome to Prabhu Leeladhar Finance Lab, where finance students work with live trading tool and global market data. It's a real deal. Whether it's a music fest or a masterclass or an amphitheater with 400 plus seats and 200-seater auditorium, make sure there's always a spotlight when you needed one.
And now for the techies. We have got all the labs you could ask for. Computer lab, simulation lab, finance lab, IT lab, and the list goes on.
Everything is Wi-Fi enabled and loaded with the latest gear. Basically, it's all here to bring your ideas to life.
Here at IFM, learning goes beyond books. Our personality enhancement program helps you build confidence, communication, wellness, and leadership skills. Because it's not just about being smart, it's about being ready.
Balance is everything, and fitness is a kind of a big deal here.
We've got it all: football, table tennis, chess, cricket, carom, and of course, a fully equipped gym.
Certified trainers, yoga, aerobics, wellness program, it's full-on fitness experience. Alright, let's talk living. The hostel spread across 2 acres with single and double rooms equipped with Wi-Fi. The rooms are on first come first serve basis, so get in early. And yes, it's where stranger becomes roommates and roommates become your second family.
Now, if you're anything like me, you're thinking, food? We've got it covered. Veg and non-veg options, plus a rotating menu which keeps things fresh.
And when you're living off the campus, the daily shuttle makes sure that you're always just a short ride away.
IFM is so much more than classroom and lectures. It's a space to discover who you are.
Whether you're coding, arguing your case, building your brand, or figuring it out along the way. This isn't just where you study, it's where you become who you're meant to be.